Conversation 1.
Good afternoon. Okay, I want to ask about your family. What is your name?
My name is Sophia.
Okay. Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. How many brothers do you have?
I have three brothers.
Who they are?
My brother name is Reza.
Okay. Do you have any sister?
Yes, I have.
How many sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
Okay. What is her name?
Her name is Clara.
Okay. How old is she?
She is 9
9 years old.
9 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Reza.
How old is he?
She is 50 years old.
Okay. What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is housewife.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Yama.
Okay. How old is he?
He is 55 years old.
Okay. What is your father's job?
My father's job is business.
Okay. How many persons at your home?
There are about 7 persons.
Yeah. Who they are?
They are me, my sister, my brother, my father, and my mother.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Conversation 2.
Afternoon. How are you this afternoon? Okay. Now I want to ask about the days in a week. Do you know how many days in a week?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Okay. Can you mention the name of the day?
Yes, I can.
What are they?
There are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Okay. What day is today?
Today is Thursday.
Okay. What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Thursday.
Okay. What day was before yesterday?
Yesterday was Monday.
Okay. Okay. What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Okay. What day is after tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Friday.
Okay. How many days is a week?
There are 10 days.
Okay. What day is holiday?